crossing's blown in. It's not bad like that.
What's the verdict?
There's no way those two will do that.
We... Come look at this creek crossing we just crossed. There's a creek crossing right down here to cross, but it's not bad.
You guys make it through the gate?
The snow changed over here in the shade.
Yeah, we're in the tree side on the right where it crosses the creek.
Now we're Fat Amy territory.
No, it snows good.
Fat Amy would have been okay here. She would have been scared of two here.
Bomb down through that creek and let's go. I think they could stay in a track and go through that.
That was a bigger pow than what I expected.
So remember, that's a pretty wide creek, but it's not shaped like that. It's blown in like, I don't know.
You went across and made it look real easy.
Maybe they'll just do it.
You got the camera on?
Yeah, it's going. Pin it. Oh, faster, faster. Oh yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Well, I watched him do it, and I'm like, I don't have a wheelie. I just wrap it off, dude. Oh no, I wheelied it with Tom Bruce. I'm like,
What am I trying to tell them?
Am I recording, Scott?
Yeah.
oh yeah, there is.
And there's a gate, and I can't remember if it goes right here and goes up. The gate's on a side hill.
It kind of stays right by a creek for a little bit.
Right.
Scott, I'm recording, aren't I?
I can't see from here.
The red light.
You gotta get up closer.
That's what I was trying to tell Evan. Did you get to
Did you fall over up?
As it's your first
Am I recording? I tried to grab the front brake.